In this video, I'm going to show you how to search in CapCut templates step by step, so you can quickly find the exact style, song, effect, or template you want without wasting time scrolling through endless results. This is a super useful trick whether you're making short-form videos, editing content for social media, or just trying to find a trending template faster. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface, and from here you need to go to the Templates section. You can usually find templates in the left sidebar, or on the home screen depending on the version you're using. Click on Templates to open the template library. Now that you're inside the Templates area, look at the top of the page for the search bar. This is where you can search for specific templates instead of browsing randomly. Click inside the search bar and type in a keyword related to what you're looking for. For example, you can type a song name if you want a template with a trending audio style, an effect name if you want a certain visual look, or even a template style like aesthetic, cinematic, photo dump, or beat sync. The more specific your keyword is, the better your results will be. After typing your search term, press Enter and let CapCut load the matching templates. In just a moment, you should see a list of templates that match your keyword. Take your time and browse through the results. You can scroll through and compare different options to find the one that fits your video idea best. If you want to see how a template looks before using it, simply click on the template to preview it. Previewing is important because it lets you check the layout, transition style, pacing, and overall vibe before you commit to it. Once you find a template you like, click Use Template to start editing with that template. CapCut will open the editing workflow, and from there you can add your own photos or clips and customize it to match your content. This is the fastest way to get started with a polished template and save a lot of editing time. So to recap, open CapCut, go to Templates, use the search bar, type your keyword, press Enter, preview the results, and then click Use Template to begin editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and comment below if you want more beginner tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.